Find features that make it different from other brands. For Faatchoi Portable Mini Game Video Projector. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Portable video projector with built-in 30,000 plus games and dual controllers. Plug the included USB controller into the projector and enjoy the game. The HY300 Pro isn't just another projector, it's a complete entertainment system featuring Android TV 11.0 and 2 wireless controllers. This game projector brings back childhood classics while streaming modern content, perfect for family game nights or solo retro gaming sessions. 360 ANSI Lumen Mini Projector with smart features. Experience crisp 1080p, supported visuals with our advanced optical system. The automatic keystone correction, plus or minus 30 degrees, and 180 degrees adjustable stand make setup effortless in any room. While not the brightest, it outperforms competitors in color accuracy and contrast for its size class. Android TV projector with full app ecosystem. Access YouTube and thousands of apps through Google Play. The intuitive interface transforms this projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth into a smart entertainment hub that's easier to use than most streaming sticks. Ultimate retro gaming experience. We've preloaded 30,000 plus classics all optimized for smooth emulation. The included controllers feature authentic layouts with modern comforts. Perfect gift for gamers aged 10 to 50. Advanced projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures buffer-free 4K streaming while Bluetooth 5.3 connects both Bluetooth speakers plus wireless headphones simultaneously. This mini projector is your all-in-one entertainment solution for travel, dorm rooms, or backyard movie nights. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.